What is happening? What is up, guys? It is the XRP General back again with another video for you today. I wanted to jump straight into this article and kind of just talk about where we're at with the SEC lawsuit case. I feel like it's good to make these ones just because it's ever unfolding, just constantly. There's new updates and stuff, and this is the closest I could get to the most recent updates. A number of motions have been filed back and forth throughout the last week. Ripple's co-founders have filed to dismiss the complaints against them individually. The SEC, however, charged back against them, doubling down on the accusations in a recent memorandum of law stating they understood the nature of the asset XRP, which is ridiculous because they didn't even know the nature of the asset. Otherwise they would give clarity. Back then, how could they have known? I've heard Brad Garlinghouse bring that up a bunch. It makes no sense. Prior to that, Ripple had put the SEC to shame in the latest legal round by exposing their omissions and misrepresentation of the judge's SEC motion to strike Ripple's lack of due process and fair notice affirmative defense. A few days ago, the SEC filed another objection to XRP holders, motion to intervene, arguing they are no friend to the court. This raised once again indignation among XRP holders. Can Ripple settle with the SEC in the next 2 weeks? Attorney Jeremy Hogan, go follow him on Twitter too, guys, a lawyer who has been covering the SEC versus Ripple lawsuits from the beginning, has predicted that if the new SEC chair, Gary Gensler, chooses to settle with Ripple, that it should happen within the next 2 weeks. That would be huge. It would make the most sense in this case, unless they were going to use this as the one case to really gain a ton of clarity. I don't know where it's going, but let's see what they have to say in the rest of this. My prediction is that if Gary Gensler is going to pull back from his lawsuit and instead work for more regulatory clarity, it will happen within the next 2 weeks. If we go into June with no settlement, then this lawsuit has been adopted and supported by Chairman Gary Gensler for better or worse. If that is the case, I predict no settlement until September at the earliest, he continued. If there is no settlement and we go to summary judgment or a trial, I predict, well, heck, I don't know. Do I look like a mind reader? That's exactly how everyone should feel. Anyone telling you exactly what's going to happen, they don't know anything. Nobody knows right now, except maybe Gary Gensler. Finance feeds covered Mr. Hogan's remarks in March when he raised attention to two bombshells dropped by the judge consenting on XRP's currency and the utility value, with currencies and securities being two different things. The SEC's argument that Ripple is a security may lose its credibility, you think? While investors may be looking for it to trigger a new bullish run, what the industry wants is regulatory clarity. A settlement should signal the SEC's intention to provide exactly that, probably with the help of a fellow regulatory entities and Congress. Another way would be to pursue the lawsuit to its fullest extent and to bring it to the Supreme Court in case Ripple's arguments prevail in the Southern District of New York in appeal. A Supreme Court decision could overturn the Howey test, which is used by U.S. regulators to define what is or not a security. Guys, this is big news. We have the meeting coming up tomorrow on the 21st. I believe it's at 2 o'clock. You guys should tune in. I just wanted to keep you up to date, and I hope you all have a great day. This is the XRP General. Peace out.